Step into the 2010 Cadillac SRX. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It includes leather upholstery, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, a 40-gigabyte hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A CArfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.